大家好，现在我在肯德基。今天我来尝尝肯德基的一个新品，叫 K 萨，这是披萨。中国的肯德基好像是第一次有披萨。那我们看一看肯德基的披萨什么样子吧。138号好了吗
138在这边，
有了。
你要是去冰哦。
对对，然后那个蘑菇披萨。
对，就在这边啊。
138号好了吗？138在这边。饮料是去冰的哦。对对，然后那个蘑菇披萨，对，就在这边哦。Okay, let's look at some expressions in this dialogue. First one, 号. 号 here means number. So we are very familiar with 号's first meaning, date, right? 几月几号？1月1号 January 1st. Here, 号 doesn't mean date. Here it means number. So, 138号 is the number of my order. Next, 好了吗？ If we say something 好了吗 means is something ready? Is something ready? Usually food. So here is like, is my order ready? 138号好了吗 Next sentence. 138在这边。We're very familiar with 这里 or 这儿 as here. So 这边 also means here. Next sentence. 饮料是去冰的哦。饮料 means beverage in general. Can be tea or coffee or juice. 饮料。冰 means ice. 去 we know 去 means go, right, as a verb. But that's only one meaning of 去. Here is the another meaning of 去. Here, 去 is also a verb. 去 means to remove. So, ice removed. So it's like the standard version of this beverage is with ice, but I ordered with my request without ice. So here, she wanted to confirm with me that your beverage is without ice. 饮料是去冰的. And this or as a particle at the end of sentences, it gives you a more softened intonation. So here it sounds more polite and more soft. Okay, next one. Well, everything's clear, right? 蘑菇 mushroom. 蘑菇 pizza. Mushroom pizza. And the last one. One more time. She used the word 这边 as here. So again, 这边 has the same meaning as 这里. It means here. And don't forget the adverb 就, very important adverb in Chinese. 就在这边 means it's right here. It's right here. means like it's not in a very far away place, right? It's just very close to me. So 就在这边 it's right here. 138号好了吗？138在这边。饮料是去冰的哦。对对，然后那个蘑菇披萨，哎对，就在这边哦。
大家看一看，这是一片披萨。这片披萨上面有芝士，有蘑菇，有土豆泥，还有鸡米花。芝士有2种，淡黄色的是马苏里拉芝士，深黄色的是车达芝士。芝士很多，我很喜欢。饼底很薄，你看。非常薄。这是我今天喝的饮料，这个叫三柠茶，柠是柠檬，茶这是红茶，柠檬红茶，三柠。这里有3种柠檬，柠檬的味道很香。我已经吃完了，现在我在店外面。今天的披萨我觉得不错，我最喜欢饼底，因为很薄。你喜欢薄饼底还是厚饼底的披萨呢？请留言告诉我吧。Thanks for watching Nightwing Chinese. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.